welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. As you can tell, I played with the Jeffree Star Bloodlust palette today, which is also what is on my eyes. I filmed 5 simple, easy little like everyday work-friendly looks, which they kind of got away from me, so they're not 100% work-friendly, but you know what I mean. They're very simple, very easy eye looks, and that video will be up probably tomorrow. I'm not sure. It's gonna take me forever to edit it, but yeah, I'm pretty excited about this video because obviously from the title, these are some Boxycharm April spoilers plus Boxycharm yearly spoilers. We're going to be talking about some brands that are confirmed for 2020. I'm very excited, and then I'm going to tell you what this month's promo is going to be with the free items that you can get when you sign up after you've canceled, or if you're like new and wanting to sign up, these are the items that you could receive. So anyways, if you guys love spoiler videos from me, then give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me, and let's go ahead and get into the video. So we're going to start off by telling you the free items that you can receive if you are a new subscriber to Boxycharm, meaning if you watch this video and decide to go click my Boxycharm referral link down in the description box and sign up to Boxycharm, you could get one of 2 items in your box on top of the 5 items that you'll be getting. And this is a $25 a month subscription box, so you get the free item plus the 5 items, and that in itself is a great deal. So that, or if you canceled before February 1st of 2020, you are also eligible to get one of these items, which I've also seen people who have unsubscribed later on in that month that you're doing the promo, they've been able to get it. So I don't really know, but just put the promo in anyways if you've canceled and you want to resubscribe, or just make a whole new account. But anyways, these are the items. They're both from Zoeva, and I've seen them on, I want to say, Ulta a lot. Maybe even Sephora, I'm not really sure. And I know Tati Westbrook has reviewed them before, and I think she really did like them. So you can enter the code March Madness. I kept thinking it was Madness. March Madness during checkout, and you can get one of 2 palettes. So there is the Zoeva, I don't know, Zoeva Matte Spectrum Eyeshadow Palette, or the Zoeva, God, I don't even know what I'm supposed to call it, whatever, Cream Contour Spectrum Face Palette. So I think that's really cool. You could either get a cream contour palette, which I think would like work wonders for my skin. It looks like it's very like light skin friendly, maybe even, you know, medium skin tone friendly, or you can get this really pretty eyeshadow palette, which I think the colors are very, very pretty, and I like how simple the packaging is. I've been interested in this brand. I just haven't picked anything up, and I know some of their stuff was on sale a while back, and I really wanted to pick some stuff up, but I didn't. So I don't know, maybe I'll subscribe again to my other Boxy account and get one of these palettes. The value is up to $300 for the total box value if you were to get the 5 items plus the free gift. So I'm just saying. Anyways, let's talk about the very first spoilers that will be coming up in the base box, and then we'll start talking about the brands that will be coming in the boxes in 2020. So our very first spoilers coming up is from Benefit, and this is the Professional Primers. So the first one that you can receive in your base box, which I feel like these might be a variation item, if not everybody's gonna get it. This is the Professional Pore Primer, and this is like the original OG primer. I have tried this primer in the past, and it did not work with me whatsoever, so hopefully I don't get it, but I'll explain in just a second about the other one. When I used this primer personally, I'm not sure why, but it was almost immediately after I finished my whole face that it started to burn, and I was like, I can't deal with this, so I took it off, and then I tried it again, and it also burnt my skin, and this was days later. And then I tried it, I think like 1 more time, maybe 2 more times, because I was just like, this is a great brand, I really want to try it, but it kept burning my skin. So there's something in it that just irritates my skin, and I wouldn't say I have sensitive skin necessarily, but I don't really have things very often that irritate my skin, and unfortunately it did irritate my skin. So if I did receive it in my bag, I'll probably just, or in my box, I'll probably just throw it up on Poshmark, because I have been been kind of trying to live a little bit more of a simple life. So I do have a lot of items over on my Poshmark if you want to check them out. There is some Jeffree Star items too. I'm selling my orange jumpsuit, my tracksuit, whatever it's called. There's just a lot over there if you guys want to check it out. And if you sign up to Poshmark, use my referral CONNORKRYSTYN and you will save, well, you'll get a $10 credit. So that's $10 off your purchase. So I'm just saying, if you guys were wondering, because I'm going to be putting a lot of subscription box items on Poshmark that I know of that I'm not going to use, since I'm trying to just live a little bit more simple. So stay tuned for a lot of Fenty coming up. But anyways, let's move on. The next spoiler, which is also from Benefit, is the Professional Hydrate Primer. So if I do get this one in my box, I will try it because I don't know if, you know, obviously one's a hydrating primer, one's a matte primer. So I think that possibly the ingredients in the hydrate primer might be different, obviously, because it's, again, hydrating and matte, that it won't irritate my skin. So if I get it, I definitely 110% I'm going to try it and hope that it's not going to burn my skin. I don't know what is in this, but it just does not agree with me like Taco Bell. Well, not in that sense, but like it burns. Taco Bell burns. The Benefit Professional Primer burns, but in like different areas. That was a very, very terrible way to explain that. Sorry. And yeah, so those are the two spoilers, of course. Once there's more, I will be making more videos, giving you all the scoop. If you want to continue to have Boxycharm or get Boxycharm again, you know, that's why we do the videos. And yeah, anyways, let's move on. Let's talk about all of the brands that are 100% confirmed for 2020, and I'm actually so excited for these brands. So, of course, you guys know, well, you probably don't know, Joe actually said this on a live, and I saw it on Facebook, so that's where I got my information from for all of this. Thank you. Anyways, so the very first confirmed brand coming in our boxes in 2020 is Hourglass. I'm so excited. Hourglass is an amazing luxury brand, very expensive, something that I don't ever buy because I can't afford it. So just to know that this is coming in the future boxes is so freaking incredible. I just got their Hourglass Ambient Lighting Blush in my box. I got it in something heat. I forget, diffused heat, that's the color. And my God, that is such a great blush that I'm like, I want to buy more. I do, I really do. So getting more Hourglass just freaking makes Boxycharm just that much better, honestly. Let's move on. The next brand is a brand that I've also really wanted to try out and I haven't, is Kevyn Aucoin. Oh my gosh. I cannot wait to see this in the box. When I start seeing Kevyn Aucoin products in the upcoming months, I'm going to literally have a heart attack. I've always wanted to try this brand, but again, I just haven't. It's expensive and I am stoked. Of course, let me know in the comments down below how excited you are, if you're not excited, and all of that. So, yeah. Let's move on. The next brand is Natasha Denona. So of course we've seen Natasha Denona already in the boxes, but it just makes it a little bit more sweeter knowing that it is confirmed we will be seeing more from Natasha Denona in the upcoming boxes. Very, very exciting. She is very expensive, but for good reason. I think she has a really great brand. I've heard nothing but amazing things from the products. Some not so much, but for the most part, she has a really great luxury brand. And of course, I'm so excited to get my hands on some more Natasha Denona at a very nice Boxycharm price. And then the last one is one that I'm like, okay, cool. We see this brand in so many subscription boxes, so of course they're going to be around for 2020. This is Sunday Riley. Now, of course, there's been some drama with Sunday Riley about the fake reviews that they were having their employees do for their products, but despite that, I have to say the items that I've actually gotten from Sunday Riley in my subscription boxes have actually, I just said actually like a ton, worked really well. I stand behind the brand, even though they're a little shady when it comes to the fake reviews, but their products are actually really good. The products that I've tried. I've tried this Tidal cream, I've tried the CEO cream, and I have I tried anything else? Okay, well, I've tried two things. I really, really liked them. I swear I've tried something else. There's something else. I know there was 3 items. Anyway, anyways, I really like this brand, so the fact that it's going to continue to come in the box makes me very happy. So yeah, that is all of the spoilers that we have today. I want to hear from you, all of your comments, feedbacks, your negative comments about Boxycharm, just everything. Let it all out down in the comments below. Let's discuss it, all your opinions. And yeah, so if you guys enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean the absolute world to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!